Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Tonight, I want to give a huge shout out to the Oral-B 8000. This is a super smart electric toothbrush, and if you guys haven't made the switch, I definitely recommend it. And I am not the only one recommending it. So does your dentist. So does the ADA. You guys know that Oral-B is just a very trusted brand, and this is one of their most advanced, amazing toothbrushes. This is going to have 6 different modes, so you can choose the perfect brush for you every single time. There's modes like whitening, modes like gentle on your gums, so you're going to be able to choose exactly what's right for you. This is going to give you real-time coaching to make sure that you are brushing your teeth long enough. It's also going to make sure that you are getting every single zone of your mouth and you're getting every single part. The brush head is going to monitor that and make sure that you are not missing any spots. So super smart. It also has a pressure sensor. So if you are pressing the toothbrush too far into your gums, which can be really bad for them, it's going to slow down the bristles so you don't do any damage. So it's going to not only clean your teeth and clean your gums, it's also going to protect them from any damage. You guys, this is just a really cool toothbrush. It is just so smart. It takes all of the guesswork out of brushing and making sure that you are brushing your teeth exactly like your dentist recommends every single time. This also comes with a really cool charging case that can charge your cell phone too. So it's great for travel. But even if you don't have the charging case, you guys, this has a lithium ion battery in it that is super strong. It can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. So, you know, even though you do have to recharge that battery, it's not a big deal. And yeah, the lithium ion battery is just gonna last for a long time, charge super fast, and stay charged for a long time. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be super happy that you did.